Hello, hello. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video to my channel, and I have a couple of reasons for that. And I made a couple of hardware videos, and I got a bunch of thumbs down on those videos. People didn't like them, it seems. So I decided to never do hardware videos anymore. I might do some software later on and gaming, but never ever hardware. So yeah, right now I'm just testing my secondary PC. Right now I'm having it a little bit of a Minecraft server, and I'm testing a thing called Velocity. And if you know what bungee cord is, it's the same thing. It's a Minecraft server network. So you can have a multiple Minecraft servers on different computers, and Velocity sort of connect them together to a sort of a single network. So when you connect to the server, you actually connect to the Velocity server, and the Velocity server sends you to the correct Minecraft server, so to speak. So right now I have like 3 servers, one lobby, one survival, and one creative. Right now, when I record this, the creative server is not online. I haven't decided what to do with the creative server yet. But I have the lobby and the survival. And I put the link to my Minecraft page on my blog, where I have texture packs and the data packs that I use. So the data packs is in the world folder. And of course, I have a bunch of plugins like the permissions, what's called luck perms and stuff. So yeah, right now I'm just testing out, and this server is invite only, so I don't want random people to be on it. So yeah, it's multiplayer, and I call it Brwood. So yeah, so right now it's on different computer. So it actually works, and this is a little bit of a weird thing with Velocity. Um, every time you join the server, you will end up in the lobby, and it doesn't matter if you have when you logged out or quit the game, you were on a different server. When you log in again, you will always end up in the lobby. That's kind of a weird thing. With Bungee Cord, it remembers what server you were on. So you ended up where you left off, but it doesn't work that way with Velocity. So you always end up over here. But it will remember where you were the last time. And by the way, yeah, this is spawn command. So you end up here in the center, looking at the survival section here. And yeah, then we have the creative. Now we'll have portals to each server here in the different stuff here. Games, monsters, subscribers. So yeah, I might have mini games over here, whatever, and special stuff for subscribers, whatever. Right now I have sort of a survival portal. So this main center one goes to the survival world, and it's a plugin called Simple Portals. So you don't have to type any commands or anything. You just enter this portal to enter the server, and Velocity will send you to that specific server. And each server will later on have their own plugins. Right now they have all the same. So this is the survival server. And yeah, you get some information here. The message of the day. You welcome to survival, so you know it's a survival server. And yeah, being a dick, you get banned. And if you click this link, you can get this and it will open a browser to that page I talked about. And then you have the different groups. Citizen, the first one, the green, is the default. So everyone who joins will be a citizen. And they have certain permissions. VIP will have all the citizen permissions plus some extra. Same thing with admin and owner. They have extra permissions besides the default ones. And for some reason, I actually disabled. It shouldn't show up, this message. But anyway, the update video. So this is actually, if you look at the map, underneath the map in the top right corner, I am at 0.63.0. So yeah, this is center of the world. So this little platform, so that's why I have this platform. It's in the middle of the ocean. And behind it, there's a little mushroom island. And yeah, all this, I have grief prevention plugin. And all of this, including the island, is an admin claim. So you can't build here or anything unless you're an admin. But you can use things like buttons and open chests and stuff. That's what you can do. So yeah, main portal. And when you enter the server for the first time, you will get a kit. Let's see if I can get kit. Kits, yes. And I think it's not the claim, it's the tools. I think. Yeah. So when you enter the server for the first time, of course, you will be in survival mode and you get these items. Okay, you don't have, yeah, you have an oak boat. Looks a bit weird there in my texture pack, but you get this boat. So I need to change that later on. It's super weird. So you can go out, place the boat, and go wherever you want. And I preloaded a bunch of chunks as well, so it should be loading pretty good. So if you want to go back to lobby, if you are at your home, you can either type /server and then select top one, lobby. Or if you are here at spawn, you can just go back in this portal and you come back to the portal with the lobby server. So yeah, that's how it works. It's kind of nice. And I have a bunch of plugins as well for stuff. Yeah, so when you build your home, you can sort of do your /home thing. I have my home over here, /home. So this is my little area, my little house over here. And yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't have the, I don't know if I got it over here. No. Well, I get that later on. My player head should be on top of that, but I use World Edit and it doesn't copy like item frames and stuff. So yeah, this is my little house on the prairie. And yeah, I got started out some stuff here. And my big tower there. And behind I have portal, another portal over here. And this little house is my storage house. Nothing special. Bunch of barrels and stuff. Because when I used chests and item frames, I got a massive frame drop here when I looked at this building. So I actually used barrels and just signs instead, because I had hundreds of item frames, and item frames are considered an entity, like an animal and stuff. If you have a lot of animals in one area, you start to lag a lot. This tower is an automatic farm. Yeah, it's blinking. So yeah, got a lot of stuff here. It automatically sort things. That's what I have over here. My tower, right now it will act like a sort of a portal space. It will teleport me to different areas. And here's another plugin. It will turn iron blocks into elevators, like the open elevator mod. You see it's a block up there. So if I stand on it and press space, it will send me upstairs to the top. Same thing if I stand on it and press shift, it will send me down. And yeah, so I got a couple of farms here where I kind of build stuff. It's a little bit simple one. And if we go back here, so yeah, the other thing here, I started to build stuff. I have my castle. And yeah, it's sort of a public thing. In my single player, I have a special mod, furniture mod, so there will be a bunch of furniture here. But I will change that later on the server. I have like stairs. So this is sort of the pub. So, and this is the kitchen. So yeah, kind of fun to have. So there's a bunch of stuff, different rooms up there, and yeah. And of course, it's getting dark. Let's see if I can just sleep somewhere. Get myself a bed. All right. So yeah, that's my home over there, and over here I started to have some stuff. So yeah, this is sort of the sawmill. So yeah, it's creating stuff. It's powered by by a water mill sort of thing. And you got like saw stuff here, cutting stuff. Yeah. So this is my sort of castle farm, as I call it. It's not really a castle, but yeah. And the towers with the blue roof are actually automatic farms. So two of them are pumpkin farms. The center is cactus farm, and those two I think is melon farms. Then we have the regular other stuff, wheat, carrots, potato. Oh, this is beetroot. And this are potato, I think, yeah. Then a bunch of other stuff like cocoa beans and vines and sugar canes and nether warts. So yeah, so in the how do you enter this one? Well, you have this block, this elevator block here, and underneath everything here, I got this all these barrels, and it will be automatically filled up. So yeah, if you take one out, it will automatically fill up. And this is sort of the so it won't be overfilled. And yeah, and these towers, they look the same. They are just growing different stuff. So this one is the melon stem. So this is the melon thing. They will grow here and will automatically. So we pushed out. Let's see if I got a melon. I can show you how it works. Melon like this. So if I place one over here, it will automatically destroy it and it will create melon slices and the hoppers will pick everything up. So yeah. Oh, there we go. And I got 5 levels of this. So yeah, it's pretty fast stuff. Yeah, that's kind of what I have right now in my own area. Then we have a couple of automatic farms or AFK farms. Let's see, I got warps as well. I can do that right away. So let's see, warp. What kind of warp? Warps. I got Place and Guardian farm. This is how it looks. See if it loads up. Oops. That's perfect, actually. So, yeah, it's quite a big farm. Looks like this from the outside. So this is sort of the storage tower. Everything will be end up down here. So yeah, you got some fish and stuff over here. Okay, you should be over here. So yeah, this stuff. Then I got sort of an AFK area right over here. And yeah, this is sort of the top. I copied this from my single player world. In a single player world, I use applied energistics, and I don't think I have fixed this. No, I haven't fixed this yet. You see the rail here? It's just a mishmash. So I need to fix this. But this is a super fast farm, Guardian farm. I just need to fix it. And yeah. And you just stand here AFKing and it's super fast. So that's that. Let's see if I can just get back down here. And that's one automatic farm. Then I got, let's see if I did warps. End farm. Yeah, this is an XP farm in the end. Looks like this. So you don't need any water or anything. I have carpets. Yeah. And I have some, that's the beacons there, so you get some health and stuff. Yeah, you get a bunch of XP, and also a bunch of ender pearls. Yeah, that's kind of nice. So the only thing you need to do is stand here, and the endermen just arrive here, and you kill them. And then I got another. I need to actually turn down the audio for this. The Nether farm, XP farm. Warps. Nether. Oh, I haven't done that. Okay, Nether spawn. Yeah, over here. And then you have a like this XP and gold farm. Let's do a warp here. Warp. Set to warp. Nether XP farm. Okay, so this is based on the Ilmango farm, and it's a little bit modified because it stopped working. I changed the center part. Also, these rings are 1 block smaller because they changed the way they spawn. And I forgot at the top here to add this glass stuff on top, so the ghast won't spawn and stuff. But yeah, over here, just stand here in the center. You have snowballs to aggro the pigman, and then you just stand here in the center and pick up all the orbs, XP orbs, and you can stand here like forever. But there is still some weird issue, especially on servers, that the piglins will stop aggro after a while. So yeah, it's semi-working. Yeah. So that's that. And you can get back to world spawn or stuff like that, Nether hub. I also got the blaze farm. Okay, I haven't said it. It should be. I don't do it right now because if you stand over here and right above you, you have the blaze farm. So yeah, you get the sword, and you stand here and kill them, and the blaze will end up over here. Yeah, that's how that works. So that's what I got right now. Not much, but let's see if this works. Spawn. Yeah. Back to square one, where you start. So yeah, a little bit video about that. So yeah, right now I'm testing this out. Might invite some people that play Minecraft and people that I know. So it's not going to be public. Yeah. So that's it for now. A little video about that. So catch you later.